Hey guys, and welcome to Sunday. What's new in JQ Crafty's Corner? I have something I'm really excited about because I just got the kit. So if you are around on Facebook or Etsy and you are not a part following MK or Janet Fritz or Galaxy Girl Creations, you must do that now. They are two very brilliant minds, and they're coming together doing a class in September. So on MK's Etsy shop, I will have it linked down below. There's a blank to bold class that's coming up. You can just purchase the class, which, like I said, starts in September. There's 8 Zooms, and it's going to be all about mixed media and fun things. And now I love mixed media, and they have said that this is for beginners to to masters of mixed media. I'm not a beginner, but it's always good to get other tips or just like be reminded too of some things like, duh, that's awesome. Why have I never done that? So that's my plan, and I cannot wait to do the class. MK on her Etsy shop also has listed a add-on kit, so you can get some of the mixed media items that they will be using in the class, so you can use the exact things that they have, which I'm excited about. I was super excited about the fact that some of the things, she had like a reveal video on her Facebook page for her Some Assemblage Required Facebook page, and that is what her Etsy shop is also called. Like I said, I will have the shop linked down below, and specifically the blank to bold class and add-on kits. So if you know you want to get those things, you can add them on, or you can just click on it and go to them on Etsy. And I'll have Janet's Facebook group listed or linked down below, and MK's. But MK had done like a reveal of what was in this kit, and I was very excited to see that there was actually a handful of things that are in this kit I already have. So it made me feel very proud that I have some of the similar things that some other very brilliant minds are using, so that made me really happy. So let's open it. First of all, I love the black polka dot tissue paper. I'll be playing with that. So these things, I don't think I have do I have this one? I think I do have this one. So she went through. So this is what's new for me, is this stuff is literally brand new. I got it yesterday, and I can't wait to play with it, and I can't wait for the class. It's not till September, but this is opaque matte texture paste. I don't have this, so I'm excited to play with this. I do have this, however, some Dina Wakley Gilt Spray. I think, is mine clogged? I feel like it is, because I feel like all my gloss acrylic spray has clogged. I have Dina's Night and the White, and they all clog. Like, I can't get them to spray anymore. And this one I don't think I have a bead in. So yeah, so now I have another Gilt, which I feel like hers looks better than mine. Like, mine looks orange, so maybe I should ditch mine. Maybe something got wrong with it. Yeah, because see, mine doesn't want to mix very well. Either way, super excited about this because I love this spray. It's pretty. So I have that. So I'm going to stick that on my shelf, as well as the texture paste. And then do I have these two? I do, I think. This is the Stickles Glitter Gel Moon Dust. Yep. I wasn't sure if I had this one too. Little differences, but it could just be from being open for a while. This stuff is gorgeous, fun. So I've got some of that. So now I've got 2, which is fine. I'm fine with that. And then most of this stuff I do not have, so I'm excited about this. These are some stencils from Close to My Heart that they wanted us to have. Oh yeah, and the Close to My Heart shimmer brush. Oh no, mine open, but that's okay because they open, but if I'm correct, because I have another one that's similar to this, but it's not the Close to My Heart one. You have to like crack it for it to actually, yeah. So we're all right. Yeah, you push and yep. So this is a shimmer brush from Close to My Heart. Super excited about that. Clear shimmer. So we'll be using that a lot. Where did I put my other shimmer brush? Oh yeah. See, scrapbook.com literally stole the design. It's the same thing. It's just a different shape. So now I have 2 of those too. So that'll be awesome. And then, yeah, these close to my heart stencils. We get this plus signs one. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh, that's not helpful. Plus size one. This is like a plaid pattern. And then this is a diagonal stripe. So those will be fun. Card front stencils. Some more palette knives. You can never have enough palette knives. I only have actually 1 palette knife, so I'm excited to have 2 more. So now I can deem 1 for glitter especially. And then some amazing card stock. Oh, and I can't wait to play with this tissue paper. Ooh. We're just gonna fold this up. I have a basket of tissue paper. Tissue paper, stencils, palette knives, and then some awesome cardstock. They gave us, she told me, some of them is basil, basil marshmallow, and I think that, is this other one a close to my heart maybe, I think MK said. I don't remember at the moment. Does it say? No, I think it might be though. But it's beautiful. It's smooth. Yeah, gave us a bunch. So I'm excited to play with this. I'm going to keep all this stuff together for my class. So I know where all of it is. I'm not sure where, but I'm going to keep it all together. So that's what's new. And what's exciting me right now is the fact that I've got this class coming up. It's a month away, but I'm excited about it. They so if you decide to go purchase it, then they send you a link, PDF file to download, and a link with the Facebook group. So then you can join the Facebook group where they're going to start doing some things in August to get ready for the class, which is super exciting. So make sure if you're going to do it, you decide now. And like I said, there's going to be Zooms, so everybody's going to be able to see each other and see what they're doing and talk, and it's going to be fabulous. I can't wait, because like I said, 2 brilliant minds in scrapbooking and crafting and creating. And MK shop, even if you're not going to get the class, go check out her shop. She's got fun things. I highly encourage you to do that. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday for another What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner.